Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Cybersecurity Studio channel. Today, I will show you how to install VirtualBox in Windows 10. VirtualBox is basically a highly secure program that allows users to download and run operating system as a virtual machine. It is widely used worldwide for many purposes because of its many advantages, such as it can run multiple OS in the same computer. The system running on VirtualBox will have no effect to the host machine. It is very easy to use and install. It can support latest hardware and software, and you can save a lot of hardware cost and space if you use VirtualBox. So now, let's get started. So now we download the VirtualBox from the official VirtualBox website. Here, Oracle VM VirtualBox. As you can see, VirtualBox also have OS X, Linux, and Solaris distribution for installer. And now we select Windows host, save file, we wait, and maybe subcode dulu. Okay, after finish downloading, we find the installer, double click it, and click next. And here, I will change the installer directory to local dist for storage issue. Okay, next again, click yes. Okay, install. So it's pretty fast actually, in a minute, and it's done. So now we have VirtualBox installed in our Windows 10. And this here you can see the features of VirtualBox. You can import or export appliance into this software, and you also can add new machine. It is help center to learn more about VirtualBox. So I think that's all for this tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.